Okay, I'm using my Sony Alpha A3000. This is an audio check at 8 feet using internal mic. Alright, this is the same distance of 8 feet with the same camera, using the stereo microphone, both microphones pointed forward. Okay, same distance of 8 feet, both mics pointed outward. I'm just going to put the little poof ball on it, the mic, and kind of blow on the mic, then take it off and blow on the mic a little bit more to show you the sound difference. Okay, took the poof off. Now I will switch to low cut without the poof. Now low cut with the poof. So this is my Sony Alpha A3000 with the microphone on it. And if you're wondering what I'm filming this with, let me just switch cameras real quick. This is what I used to film with. It's the Samsung, I apologize but I don't know the name of it. It records in 1080 HD or 720. See, full HD right there. It's waterproof, shock resistant, $70, definitely worth buying. Comes with USB charge and upload, or just a little SD card and mini HDMI.